Hi guys, today we are going to talk about chemical and physical properties. And so first we're going to start with physical properties. Physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the composition of the matter. So I can determine that without changing it. A few of examples would be appearance. So my coffee cup here, I can determine the color of it. I can determine the odor of it. I can even determine the temperature of it without changing my substance. Okay, I still have coffee here. I can determine the density. I can determine the mass and the volume of my coffee cup because when I determine the mass, I just put it on the scale and I do not change my coffee at all, but I can get that particular property. The second one is chemical property. Chemical property is kind of the complete opposite of physical property, is that it's a quality that can be established only by changing the substance identity. So when you are trying to determine a chemical property, it will completely change that particular chemical. So for instance, flammability. In order to determine if something is flammable, you light it on fire, and then you completely change that particular thing. Same thing with toxicity. In order to determine that something is toxic, you completely change that chemical.